Okay, our class is begin. Good morning, I remember. Today we will learn the trend expert and the deviation expert from the course. My name is Jessie Dean. Okay, so this is our topic, trend expert and the deviation expert, and how to combine with these two functions. So before our class, let's see the market first. So we know that recently the market is in sideways, right? Because not the high point is lower, but the low point is higher. So this is the sideways. We also can draw the trend line. This is the line, then this is another line. Then we can see recently the market is in sideways like triangle. Okay, so we know that I can teach you one function, then you can learn how to use it, okay? So we should remember 3, 6, 9 is the key number for judging the market, okay? So what's that meaning? Firstly, we should find the low point. Firstly, we should find the low point. So how to judge whether the low point is low point or not? Use your fingers, right? Okay. So if you see here, this is the low point, right? We can confirm this is the low point. So we can take this candlestick as the key candlestick. Okay. So this is the one, and we can this is the key candlestick. Then we can see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I told you that 3, 6, 9 is the key point, right? It's the key number. So you can see the number is 1, 2, 3. How to confirm this is the 3? If you see the high price is higher than this one, then this high price is higher than previous one. So this is we can call it the 1, 2, 3. So if you see that this is the 3 candle, the third candlestick, you should pay more attention. This is the turning point. So the next day, the price sharply drop. Okay. Then we can see here. This is the high point, right? This is the high point. Okay. So we can calculate again. 1, 2, 3. How to confirm? The low price is lower than the previous one. So this is the 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the next day, the price went up. Okay. So this is about the miracle trend. Okay. So we can see this one. This is the low point, right? Okay. So we can take this one as the lowest point. Then this is the one. Then we can see another day. Can we take this one too? Yes, because the high price is higher than this one, the previous high price. Okay, so 3. The next day, higher again, right? High price is higher again. Then you know that. If you 1, 2, 3, you should know here. You can pay more attention for the short-term risk because the market may have some correction. Okay, so you can learn this method. Then we can see this one. This is the low point, right? Low point. Okay. So this one can take as 2 candlestick. No, because the high price is not higher than the previous one. So we can see the next day 2, 3. So you should pay more attention to the shorter risk. If you want to continue, the next day 3, 1, 2, 3, right? The next day high price is higher than previous one. Maybe we can know this one 1, 2, 3 again. So the market jump. Okay. So 3, 6, 9 is the key point, right? So firstly you should calculate 3 candles, okay? Then if the next day the high price is higher than previous one, you should continue to calculate tier 6, okay? So this is the market. Then we can see this one. This is the market, so you should know that this is the short-term correction. Okay, so if you want to catch some short-term rebound, you can use this method, and I think it's very useful. Okay, then we can see this one. This is the high point, right? This is the high point, right? Because the high price is higher than the previous one and the next two candlestick. Okay, so we can see this is the one high point. So 1, 2, the low price should lower. So this one, 1, 2, 3. So the market had some rebound again. Okay, so if you want to just calculate the market, you can know that. So let's see the Dow Jones Index first. Let's see the Dow Jones Index. This is the Dow Jones Index, and we know that this is the candlestick. We can use this is about the golden section, so we can use this one to judge the support and resistance. Okay, so this is the low price, and we can connect the low price to the high price, right? Okay, so this function can help us to judge where is the support and resistance. Okay, so we can know that recently the Dow Jones Index had some correction, right, and cannot create a new high again. So we know that this is the high price, then this is the support. So if the price drop here, then we should see next support is here. This is next support. Okay, so let's see this method whether can use or not. So we can see here, this is the high price, right? Can we confirm this is the high price, high point? Yes. Then 1, 2, 3, right? The next day had some rebound. Okay, then we can see next one. This one is the same. This is the low point, right? 1, 2, 3. You should sell quickly. If you sell at this point, you can avoid the big risk, right? Okay, so this one is only for short term. You cannot use this method to long term because recently the market is suitable for short term investment. Okay, so let's see some individual stocks. Let's see this stock. This stock is strong, right? Okay, then we can see this one. If we confirm the low point and high point, we should know that. So this one, can we confirm the high point? Yes, because we can see this is the high point. Then this one is not satisfied. Okay, so maybe we can use this is not the miracle trend. Then we can see some stocks. I can use this method to filter again. So firstly, you can use technical filter and click energy. This filter method is called breakout. Okay, so many one know that the intraday volume more than yesterday's 100. Then the next one, quotation close hits a new high in 20 days. Then we can filter. So let's see whether can filter some stocks or not. So this one, okay, then we can filter. Then later we will analyze these stocks, whether it's suitable for this method or not. Okay, so we can see the first share. This one, if you use this method to filter some stocks, this one can we delete or not? This one, no, right? So we can find another next one. Next one still not good. So this one cannot. This one cannot. How about this one? This one is the sideways, right? Okay, so you can see this is the sideways. Just a breakout, right? This is the breakout. Okay, then we can use this method. This one is in sideways. Maybe you can pay attention. You can see, if you see the price. Last time I talked about the chart pattern. If you see the price upward break through the triangle pattern, maybe it's a good time to catch some short-term rebound. So this one we can put into our favorite. So we can see this one. This one we see here, just a breakout, right? Okay, so you can see whether can continue or not. This one we also can put into favorite. How about this one? This one we know that just touch the sub-resistance, right? So if you see the price just touch the resistance, you should see whether the price can upward break through the resistance or not. If cannot, we just wait and see, okay? So this one is so strong, right? But this is the high price. If you see the price just close to the previous high price, you should wait and see, okay? Then we can see this one. This one is so strong, right? Okay, so we can see this candle, this price. This price is so strong, but it's difficult, it's hard to catch this stock. Then we can see the volume, big volume, right? Okay, so if you don't have this stock, whether can buy or not. If you see the candlestick like this, you will afraid, right? Okay, so we can know that where is the support, where is the resistance. Can you tell me where is the resistance? Because you learned so many methods for analyzing. So can you tell me which price is the resistance? Around this one, right? Why? Because half of the candlestick, this is the resistance. If the price can go up again, maybe you have chance. If cannot, because just touch the resistance. If cannot, maybe we'll have some correction, right? Okay, so if the correction, where is the buy price? Maybe here, right? Because here is the support, okay? So you should analyze. If you filter some stocks, you cannot. You should check which one is the best, okay? So we can see next one. This one, add value. Add value, we filter this stock before, but you should know 0.05 is the big resistance, right? If cannot break out, you need to wait and see. So we can see here, the high price is breakout, but we should see whether the close price breakout or not, because close price breakout is effective. So we can see this one, just 0.05, right? So we should know whether we should pay more attention to this stock, whether can break out 0.05 or not. If can, you should see the close price. If can, you have chance to buy again. If cannot, you should wait and see and wait the price at some correction, then you can find a good chance. So we can see this one. This one sharply up again, right? Just a breakout, right? Okay, the price breakout, you should know that here is the resistance. So you should know, you should check first. So we can see this one. This one is sideways, right? So this one still cannot sideways. This one sideways. So we can find some China New Town. This is the China New Town. Just create a new high, right? This is the new high, create a new high. If tomorrow the price can go up again, maybe you have chance. Okay, so we can put some stocks into our favorite and we can analyze first. Okay, so this one so high already. So we can, if we filter these stocks after our analysis, we may be around 3 to 4 or 5 stocks we can put into our favorite. Okay, so this is the method. Then let's continue the course. So firstly, you should remember the method for analyzing market for short term. Okay, so 3, 6, 9. This is the key numbers. Next one we can see, this is the choice of investors when the stock market went down. If you buy the stocks, you see, if you buy the price went down after you buy the stocks. So what's your choice? Most investors will keep it because you lose money, right? You lost money, so you want to keep it. And We can see this is our choice. The most investors will do like this. Why? If you see the price went down, right? You will keep it. You will fight with the bear. You will fight with the bear, right? Because you want to keep. You just keep. Then you are trapped. If we buy some stocks, some members use the turtle, right? What's the turtle? Turtle help you to buy small position, then buy half position. It's like this. So if you buy some stocks, then the trend is good. If trend is not good, you should stop loss. Okay, you cannot confirm that each stock will go up, right? So this is the choice. Then we can see which point do you want to buy. There are 3 points. The first point is A. The second point is B. The third point is C. So which point do you want to buy? Do you want to choose? Because many investors want to buy at the B point. Why? Because the B is the lowest point, right? Okay. So if you want to buy at the B point, difficult or easy? It's quite difficult, right? Because low point is only 1. Okay, so if you want to buy at the B point, you will buy at A point because you cannot confirm that whether this is the low point or not. So if you buy B point, it's difficult, so we cannot, right? How about A point? A point, the price is the same as C price. So what's the difference? If you buy at A point, then the price went down, your mindset will be inflected, right? So if you buy here, maybe when the price go up, then touch your target course again, you will sell here. Then the price went up, right? Go up. So which point is the best buy point? C, because C is the buy point in the uptrend. So if we want to buy some stocks, we should confirm whether the trend is reversal or not. But they have some disadvantages. So if you want to buy at C point, the price maybe go up already, right? So maybe if you want to buy here, you should sell quick. You cannot buy at the lowest point. You just buy at not the lowest point, but you can make some profit. Okay, then the next one. Which point we should sell? A1, B1, or C1? C1, right? Because C1 is the sell point in the downtrend. So we should sell the stock in the downtrend. We cannot sell at A1 because we don't know whether the price will go up or continue to go up or not. So C1 is the sell point. If you know this theory, so which method is the good? Let's see this stock. So maybe we think that this is most our question. The share price always drop when we buy, right? So maybe you think when I buy the stocks, the price go down. When I sell the stock, the price always go up. Why? Because you don't have the correct trading system. Okay, so share price always drop when we buy. Okay, so today I will teach you how to use simple function to judge the buy and sell point and to achieve how to buy at the C point. This function is simple and most investors know how to use it. The function is called trend expert. If you use this one function, maybe you also can make more money and lose less. Okay, the trend expert. Let's see the composition of trend expert. So firstly, let's see the chart. We should click expert. Then click trend expert. Okay, so this is the trend expert. So we can see there are some lines. Then what's that meaning? Firstly, let's see the composition of trend expert. The Dow candlestick. What's the down candlestick? The candlestick is here. This is the down candlestick. It's different with the candlestick, so we call it down candlestick. So what's the difference? Because if we see the candlestick, each has high price, low price, has the shadow, right? And if we see the down candlestick, there's no shadow, okay? There's no shadow. So this one, trend expert, the down candlestick is not for the price movement, it's for the trend. Then we can see the next one. Main line. Main line. What's the main line? Main line is this line. This line can help us to judge the main trend, whether it's uptrend or downtrend. And the next one is for the assistant lines. Assistant lines, we can see here is the assistant lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 assistant lines. Later I will show you how to use assistant lines to judge the support, judge the buy and the sell point. Okay, so we can see the next one. No shadow on down candlestick. Then it combines with volume, so it's different with the normal candlestick. So the red candlestick for the strength of the rising, the green candlestick strength for the falling. Okay, so if you see the down candlestick, the body is larger. The larger, the better. But for the green candlestick, the larger, the worse. Okay, so this is the candlestick. And we can see next one. So we can see here. This is the red candlestick. This is the green candlestick. Okay. So red candlestick means the trend is up. Then the green candlestick means the trend is down. Okay. So we can see this one. This is some stocks. Okay. If you had some stocks, you can use this one to judge. This is the down candlestick, the assistant line, and this is the main line. Okay. So usually, how we judge the buy point and sell point? Okay. So we can know that this is the main trend, right? If you see the main trend, the purple line is up. This trend is uptrend. Okay. So if we see the trend is uptrend, we can catch some buy point. So how to judge the buy point? Firstly, the premise is that the trend is uptrend. Then how to judge the buy and sell point? Green candlestick turn to the red candlestick. This is the buy point. Okay. Then red candlestick turn to the green candlestick. Sell. Then green turn to the red again. You can buy again because the trend is uptrend. Okay. So we can see the next one. Then we can see this stock. This stock is called Israel. Okay. So Israel, we can see here. This is the downtrend, right? Just now we saw the share is uptrend. Then we can see this one is the downtrend. How to confirm? We can see the purple line is green and the green line go down. This is the downtrend. Okay. If you see the trend is in the downtrend, we cannot buy stocks. Even if the green turn to the red candlestick, we cannot buy. If we want to buy, we should combine with the assistant line. Later I will show you. Okay, so we can see this one cannot buy, cannot buy, cannot buy. Then we can see here. Green turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy here or not? Yes, because the trend from downtrend to the uptrend. Okay, so green turn to the red, we can buy. But if you see the lines, the main line, flat, what's that meaning? Flat means the trend is in sideways. Okay, so we can see some examples. We can see some stocks. So we can see next one. 3 steps to open position. Maybe this one is a little complicated. Then I will use simple way to teach you. Okay. So this one we just look at. It's okay. Then let's see some examples. This is the market. Okay. So we wait and see. open the software. Okay. Three steps to open position. This one, you just take photo, but I will use simple way to explain. Okay, so I will not, later I will use simple way to explain. Okay, so let's see some stocks. So let's see the first stock is add value. Okay, so let's see the add value ahead. Okay, then we can click expert, age, change the expert. Okay, so let's see this stock. So firstly, we can confirm that the trend is downtrend or sideways or uptrend. Sideways, why? Because we can see the main line is flat. So this is the sideways, okay? Then we can see here. Okay, then green turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy here or not? Some members said yes, some members said no. Okay, so first let's see the trend is downtrend or uptrend or sideways. Sideways because the main line is flat. Okay, so if you how to judge, just now I told you how to buy some position. Then we can see green turn to the red candlestick, right? At least we can combine with the assistant lines. If you see at least 3 assistant lines turn to purple, this is the buy point. Okay, so here, can we buy or not? This is the buy point. The buy price is around 0.032. Then if we buy, keep or not? Red candlestick means you still can keep your stocks. No need to sell, just keep it. So we can see here. Red candlestick turn to the green candlestick, can we sell or not? If you see here, we buy some position. We cannot buy full position. Maybe we buy 1/3 position. Okay. So if you see here, the red candlestick after the breakthrough the purple line and the purple line go up, we can buy more position. Maybe 20. Maybe half position. We can buy more. Okay. Then we keep it. Green. Red turn to the green. Sell or not? You should see whether the assistant lines, if you see at least 3 assistant lines turn to green, you should sell. If no, you can keep it. Okay, then we can keep it again. So if we buy at this price 0.032, now it's 0.05, can we make money or not? Yes, we can make money, but when to sell? Now if you have this stock, you still can keep it, no need to sell, but when to sell? When you see the red candlestick turn to the green candlestick, at least 3 assistant lines turn to green, you should sell some position, sell more position, okay? But you still can keep it keep a little position. Then we can see this one is not good. Let's see normal. Okay, so we can see here. Firstly, you should know that the trend is downtrend or uptrend. Downtrend, right? Just now we saw the stocks is in sideways. It's better than downtrend. So this one is in the downtrend. Green turn to the red candlestick. At least the three lines assistant lines turn to purple. Can we buy or not? Small position because the trend is still downtrend. Okay. If you see the trend is uptrend or sideways, maybe you can buy more. But for here, we should buy a small position, okay? Then if we buy, we keep it. Okay, red turn to green, sell or not? Sell quickly because trend is downtrend, okay? So if we buy here, 1, 4, then we sell here. Can we make money or not? We cannot make money but we will not lose a lot because the trend is in the downtrend. We just buy small position, okay? If we buy here, we sell here, we cannot earn money, right? Because there's a trend. If you see the trend is in the downtrend, here you can buy or you no need to buy. It's up to you, okay? Then we can see next one. Can we buy here again or not? If you are safe investor, here we buy or not? No. But if you are the aggressive investors, here will you buy or not? Maybe you will buy small position because the trend is a downtrend. Then we can see here, we buy, then we keep it. Sell or not? No. So if we buy here, now we keep, earn small profit, small profit, okay? Then now you still have this stock, keep or not? You can keep it. But when you see the red to green, you should sell quickly or you should stop loss, okay? Then we can see next one. This one, can we buy or not? Yangzijiang, trend is not good, right? Because if you have these stocks, you will lose a lot of money, okay? So firstly, we can know that this trend is not good. Green turn to the red candlestick, can we buy or not? No. If you buy, you will lose, you will lost. So here, can we buy or not? 1, 2, 3, 3 purple turn to purple. If you are aggressive investor, maybe you will buy, but keep small position, okay? Because the trend is not good. So, but if you see green candlestick appears, you should sell quickly, okay? Because it's not good. So you can we buy now or not? Still cannot because the buy signal didn't appear. Maybe this is a low price. We don't know. Maybe this is the lowest price, right? But for now, we cannot confirm, okay? So we can see the next one. Let's see this stock. If you have this function, okay, you see the top volume stock, then green turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy here or not? Firstly, let's see the trend is downtrend or uptrend. Sideways, right? Because the main line is flat. This is the sideways. So green turn to the red candlestick. At least 3 assistant lines turn to purple. So here, can we buy or not? Yes, we buy. But tomorrow we can buy, right? Tomorrow open price you buy, you will earn short-term profit. Okay. So now if you have, you still can keep it. And we can see this one, Israel. Israel, we can see here. This share is from downtrend to the uptrend, right? Okay. Then green turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy or not? Here we buy or not? We can buy another day because we see today, right? So another day we buy 0.055, we keep it. Now it's 0.055, the same price, right? Okay, so you still can keep it. Then how about, let's see this stock. First, let's judge the main trend. The trend is downtrend, uptrend, or sideways. Obviously, this is the sideways because we can see the main line up or flat, up or down. This is the sideways, okay? Then we can see here, green turn to the red candlestick. At least 3 assistant price turn to purple. Buy or not? You can buy, but you should remember, for this one, you only keep 1/3 position, keep small position, okay? Then if we buy another day, 0.137. Now you keep it. Now it's 0.4143. Earn money or not? Yes, we can earn money, right? Okay, when to sell? When you see red can to green, you should sell quickly. But if you see red turn to green, maybe the price dropped, okay? Maybe dropped a lot, we don't know. So if you buy here, you keep it. So if you see here, maybe this is the resistance. If you see this is the price, you should sell, okay? If you want to sell quickly, if you want to sell high price, maybe you can use this function, okay? You don't need to wait till the green appears, okay? But this is for the aggressive investors. So we can see next one, time bridge. Time bridge for this one still good, right? Okay, so here we sell or not? Red turn to green, sell or not? No, because only one turn to green, we keep it. But here, sell or not? Red turn to green candlestick, and at least 3 assistant lines turn to green, sell or not? You should sell quickly, okay? Then the price start to drop, okay? So we can see here. So now we know that this stock sideway is from uptrend to the downtrend, okay? So we can see. Here, can we buy or not? If you buy, you should keep small position. The price is 0.96, now it's 0.96, the same price, right? But this is for the downtrend. So you can use this one to judge. Let's see this one. Green turn to the red candlestick, right? Firstly, we can see the trend is downtrend or uptrend. This is the uptrend. Okay, uptrend, green turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy or not? Here is the buy point, but you should buy another day because today you see the signal. You should buy another day. The open price 0.035. So now 0.36, earn small profit. Okay, so you can use this method. How about this one? Firstly, let's see the main line. Main line is down to flat, right? So we know its share is in sideways. Okay, so we can see the share is in sideways. Green turn to the red candlestick. At least 3 assistant lines turn to purple. Can we buy here or not? We should buy another day. The open price is 0.046. So we keep it. Now it's 0.071. We earn money or not? We earn a lot of money. Then if you earn the money, maybe you sell. It's up to you. Because if you want to sell quickly, you want to make fast money, maybe here you can sell because you already made almost 40%. Right, okay. So this one is simple, and this method is simple to use. Let's see this stock. So we can see this stock is good or not. Yes, it's good because the trend is downtrend or uptrend. The trend is uptrend, okay. So green candlestick turn to the red candlestick. Can we buy or not? Buy. So the price is here. Tomorrow buy 1.59. Okay, 1.59. Now it's already 1.65. A money or not? A money, right? Because if you use this function to catch buy point, maybe you cannot confirm, you cannot promise that each time you can earn money for every trading. We cannot, right? But if you use this simple method, you can make more and lose less. Okay? So here we buy, here we buy again. Okay? So this is the method. Okay, then we can see this one is the same, China Newton. This is the green, right? So next day you buy open price, you can earn profit, right? Okay, so this is the method. Do you have any question about this buy point? Okay, let's review it. Then I give you some examples. Then I need to know whether you grasp it well or not. I choose phone. Okay. See some stock. I choose stocks. Choose one stock. Okay. Then I need to know whether you grasp it very well or not. Do you have some stocks? If you have, you can tell me. Then we can use this stock to test whether you grasp it well or not. 3G92 China Aviation. Okay, let's see this stock. Here, can we buy or not? Firstly, let's see the main trend. Just now I told you the main line, assistant line and down candlestick. Okay. So firstly, let's see the trend is downtrend or uptrend. Downtrend. Okay. Here, can we buy or not? This candlestick, can we buy or not? Only two potential purple we cannot buy. Okay. Next day 3 you can buy, but you the best buy at the first one, at least the 3 potential purple. So next day you can buy, but if you buy, you should keep smaller position. Okay, because the trend is the downtrend. So I think if you see the green to the first green candlestick, so only 2 central purple. Next day 3 central purple, you still cannot buy. Okay, because the trend is downtrend. But if the trend is uptrend, maybe you can concede. Then okay, then we wait and see. Here, can we buy or not? Here, can we buy or not? No. How about this price? Can we buy at this candlestick or not? Green turn to the red candlestick. At least 3 assistant price turn to purple. Buy or not? Yes, we can buy. Okay. Then if we buy, here we sell or not? We buy at this price, we sell at this price. Earn money or not? Earn small money because you sell another day, right? Earn small. Then we see here, buy or not? Here candlestick, buy or not? Buy again, okay?
The purple line is below, not above.
Yes, below, not above. So here you still keep small position, okay? Because the trend is flat, sideways, okay? Then here you buy, then we can see another day. If you see the red candlestick upward break through the main line and polarized up, you can increase your position. Okay, so here you can increase your position, then you keep it. So here, if you don't have the stocks, buy again or not? Buy, because the trend is uptrend, so you can catch buy point again. So you still can buy. How about here, sell or not? Still can keep, right? Because the trend is uptrend. How about here, sell or not? Sell. But you should know that the trend is still uptrend. So if you sell whole position or not, full position or not, sell half position, okay? Then if you see here maybe you sell more position. Then you see the green candlestick fall below the main line. Main line is green and go down. Here you should sell all. Okay, then you wait and see. Okay. So this is the downtrend, uptrend. Okay. So we see recent price. Okay, then we can see nowadays the price. So firstly, let's see the trend is downtrend, right? Because the main line is down. So this is the downtrend. Green turn to the red candlestick, buy or not? No, because downtrend. The assistant lines are all green, right? So here buy or not? Still cannot buy. Okay. So if you buy, you will lost some money. Okay. So here if you sell here, you can avoid some risk. So this is the method. So have you?
So this one chart only you can decide. You don't need two charts.
Yes, one chart
One indicator.
you can decide. Because I think, in my opinion, I think the simple the best. You know, if we use so many complicated indicators or functions, it's very, you know, we don't know which one is the better. Then we see so many functions. This function, the buy signal appears, but for the for the other function, the buy signal didn't appear. So you will consider whether I buy or not. When you decide to buy, the price already soared. Okay, so we can see the next one. So here, can we buy or not? Can buy, okay? So it's very simple, right? Okay, then we can continue. So you don't need to care about this. I just use simple way to explain to you. So I think it's better, you can understand better. This one, you don't need to care, okay? Then we can see next one. Here, green turn to the red candlestick, right? Okay, then this is the buy price. If we buy, we still keep it, we can earn a lot of money. Okay, so we can see this one. What's the difference? So firstly, let's see this one. The trend is uptrend, right? Uptrend, if you see the share is in uptrend, green turn to the red, green turn to the red, you should combine with the assistant lines, okay? Green turn to the red, at least the 3 assistant lines turn to purple, 5 point. So here, 5 point. Here is another 5 point, okay? So we can see next one. For the sell point, just now I already told you when to sell. We just see this one. But this one you don't need to care. I will use simple way to explain to you, so I think you can understand better. Okay, PowerPoint is not the key factor. Okay, you should listen to me. Okay, then we can see this shares. Firstly, this one, red candlestick turn to the green candlestick. Sell or not? Here we should sell. At least 3 assistant lines turn to green. You should sell quickly. Okay. So here, if you sell, you can avoid big risk. Okay. But we can see here. Just now I already told you. Here maybe you sell more position, right? You left a little position. When you see the green candlestick fall below the main line and the main line go down, this you should sell another position. Okay, so if you still keep these stocks, you should stop loss. Okay, if you see the trend is downtrend. So if you see the green, red turn to the green, red turn to green, red turn to green candlestick, and the share is in the downtrend. So here you should stop loss. This is your stop loss point. Okay, so you should remember. So this one is very simple, right? Okay, so we can see here, obviously we know when to buy, when to sell. It's more easy to understand. So here, the premise of making money is ensure that the stock is in uptrend. It means that how many dark candlestick is above the main line. So this is the premise of making money. If you want to make save money, you should see whether the trend is uptrend or downtrend. So we can see here, this is the downtrend. This share can buy or not. Of course, this one cannot buy because the green candlestick, right? So we cannot buy at this stock. If we had this stock, we should sell quickly, okay? So this one is simple, right? If you use this simple function, trend expert, I think you can make more and lose less, okay? But if you want to increase your accuracy, maybe you should combine with other functions to confirm. But for this one function, I think if you want to make more or lose less is enough. But if you want to increase your accuracy, improve your accuracy, maybe you can combine with other functions. So let's see the next one. Something wrong with this one. Okay, so I don't know what's the okay. So how to catch opportunity of turning point? Because we want to know what's the turning point, okay? So the bull stock is still strong in the big market, so we should catch the bull stock, okay? Which stock we should pick in the big market? Firstly, this stock rising in the big market. So the trend is the market is not good, but the share is still rising, okay? So this share is strong. The next one, stock is in sideways when the market go down. If you see the market go down, but the stock is in sideways, this one is strong stock, okay? The next one, far away from penny stock. If you want to catch, but if you prefer to buy some penny stock, you should keep your position, and you should know that put risk in the first. Okay, so penny stock. If you have some money, or if you have some capital, then you should use 70% of your capital, invest some stable stocks to make some long-term profit, medium long-term profit. And you can use 30% of your capital to buy some short-term stocks, small cap stock or penny stock. But you should know, if you buy penny stock or small cap stock, you should buy for short term, okay? Only for short term, cannot keep for long, okay? So these stocks have chance when the market is reversal, okay? So if you see this stock, then you can you can put into a favorite. When the market is reversal, the share is the best. Catching buy opportunity before indicators deviation, okay? So later I will show you how to judge the market go down or go up, and how to judge the bottom deviation or top deviation. First, let's see what is the deviation. Deviation, it means some indicators, some technical indicators do not follow the price trend when the stock or index go up or go down. Maybe if you see the technical index go up, but the share go down, this is the deviation. Or the indicators go down, the share price go up, this is the deviation. In the process of deviation, the price trend will reversal, okay, will reverse. So this is the deviation. Let's see the deviation expert. On the premise of changeless fund supply, the increase of stock supply usually brings down the stock price, while the decrease of stock supply usually puts up the stock price. This is some theory. Then in a similar way, on the premise of changeless stock supply, the increase of the supply of fund usually puts up the stock price, while the decrease of the supply of fund usually brings down the price. We just know it is okay. So let's see this one, how to combine, okay? If you want to improve your accuracy, you can combine trend expert with deviation expert, okay? So how to combine it? You just use this one to confirm whether the share have chance or not, right? Okay, so we can see this one. Low price is lower, right? While the deviation expert, low price is higher. What's deviation? This is the top deviation. If you see the share is in the top deviation, you should know that the share have chance to go up. Okay, so this is the bottom deviation. Okay. So how about here? Low price lower, the deviation expert higher. Deviation, box deviation or not? Top deviation or not? Or bottom deviation or not? Yes, bottom deviation. Okay, so this share have chance to go up. Okay, then we can see next one. Deviation expert, top deviation. Top deviation, it means that index or price is hard to create a new high, even may fail, even may fall. Investors should sell as soon as possible. Okay, so if you see the shares in top deviation, you should sell quickly. The next one, bottom deviation. Bottom deviation, it means that the index or price starts to rise from bottom, which belongs to the buying opportunity. Okay, if you see the shares in bottom deviation, you know that you have chance to buy. Okay, so this is the deviation expert. So firstly, let's say this one, bottom deviation, right? Just now I showed you, this is the bottom deviation. Okay, then we can see next one. This is for the top deviation. So how to confirm? We can see the price. The stock price created a new high, but the deviation expert didn't create a new high. So this is a top deviation. Okay, if you see the share is in top deviation, you should know that the price may go down. Okay, so you should avoid risk ahead. Okay, so this is the top deviation. The trading rules. It is warning signal when deviation appears. Investors can buy or sell when buy or sell signal of trend indicators come out. So why, just now I said, you should combine with trend indicators. Deviation experts cannot judge buy and sell point. We cannot use deviation expert to judge buy and sell point. Okay, so we only can use trend indicator to judge buy and sell point. So trend expert is trend indicator, so we should combine. If you see the deviation appears, then the sell signal appears, you should sell quickly. Okay, no hesitate, sell out your stocks. Okay, so we can see this one, usage. The first one, in the uptrend, the column continue increase. So what's the column? I will show you. What's the column? Okay, so this is the column. Red column stands for the money flow. The green column stands for the money outflow. Okay, but we cannot, maybe some investors say, green column turn to red column, can I buy? You can buy or not? Cannot, because deviation for expert cannot be used for judging buy and sell point. Okay, so this is the column. Then we can see next one. The column continue increase, indicating that the bank money flow stable. The next one, if column of deviation expert continue extend, indicating that the bank money flow too fast, easy to generate the bank money outflow, leading stocks fail. Next one in the downtrend, the column decrease, indicating that the bank money outflow. Okay, so this is the usage. Later I will show you that. So let's see some notes. The first one, deviation means there is only the possibility. It can be understood as the most likely of 70% on it. Not 100%, maybe 70%. Okay, this is the possibility. The price may not reversal immediately after deviation. Okay, so the next one, the market is normally reversal once the indicator's deviation, but not an inevitable result. Investors cannot buy in advance, while investors should pay attention to the deviation. Do not predict before deviation is formed. Do not predict. Okay, so let's see this one. Firstly, we can see here. This is the deviation, right? This one we can see here. This one can we think this is the bottom deviation? This one? No, because we can see the low point is higher. This one deviation for expert, low point is higher. Top deviation or not? Bottom deviation or not? No, okay. So how about this one? Low point is lower. Low point is lower. This one, top deviation, bottom deviation or not? No. That's why we can take this one to this one as bottom deviation, because the low point is lower, but the low point is higher. So this is the bottom deviation. Okay, firstly you judge this is the bottom deviation. You know that the share has chance. Okay, has chance, but when to buy. If you see the share has chance, okay, then we can see green turn to the red candlestick. At least 3 purple turn to 3 turn to purple. You can buy more. Okay, because the bottom deviation. Okay, then we can see next one. This is the bottom deviation or not? Yes, this still belongs to bottom deviation. So we can see here, the low price, lower right. Okay, then the low price, higher. This is the bottom deviation. Okay, so buy signal appears, buy or not? Confirm buy point. Okay, you can confirm. This one is for confirmation. So this one, if you buy here, you can improve your accuracy. Okay, then we can see next one. This is the top deviation, right? Okay, then we can see high point is higher. The high point creates new high, but the deviation expert, high point is lower the top deviation. If you see the top deviation appears, then red candlestick turn to green candlestick, you sell out. You can sell out your stocks, because for top deviation means that the share may go down. Okay, may reversal. So you see the red candlestick turn to green candlestick. You don't need to sell half position. You just sell out. Okay, sell out. So this is the, if you here you didn't sell out, you sell half. Here you sell half. It's not good, because here you can sell out your positions. Okay, so let's see some examples. So firstly, let's see this stock. Can you tell me this stock has some deviation or not? Yes. High point, higher right. This one high point is higher again. So this one belongs to deviation or not? No. Then we can see this one. High point create a new high. Then high point didn't create new high. So if you see sell signal appears, you should sell out your stocks. Okay. Then we can see some other stocks. So let's see this one. Low point is lower. Low point is higher. Bottom deviation, right? So if you see the shares belongs to bottom deviation, if you see the buy signal appears, you can buy, confirm to buy. Okay? So here you confirm to buy. Then we can see next one. How about this stock? Let's see this stock. So firstly, let's see, this is the low point, right? Hits a new low. Low point. Bottom deviation, right? So if you see this stock is bottom deviation, when you see the buy signal here, you can buy, confirm to buy. Okay? But if you see the share is in deviation, you should wait till the trend expert buy signal appears. You cannot buy according to deviation expert. Okay? You should combine with these two functions. Then we can see this one. So how about this stock? Here, new high low. So this one, but we cannot confirm that this is the top deviation because the low point didn't appear. Okay, so we can see next one. Okay, then we can see this one. Bottom deviation or not. The low point lower, the low point higher. This is the bottom deviation. So if you see buy signal appears, so we can see here, buy signal appears, buy or not. Confirm to buy, no need to hesitate, just buy it. It's okay, just do it, just buy it. So here, if we buy, we can earn some profit. Okay, let's see this stock. This one, top deviation, right? So we see here, this is the top deviation. Here we sell out of stocks or keep small position. We should sell out because the top deviation, which means that the price may go down, right? So if you see the sell signal appears, you should sell out your stocks. So here, can we sell out our stocks or not? Yes, we should sell out our stocks. So we can see this one, this stock. Let's see here. The high point is higher, right? But the deviation expert, the high point is lower. Which deviation? Top deviation, right? Top deviation. So if you see the sell signal appears, here we sell or not? Sell out our stocks, okay? So you can avoid some risk. Okay, then we can see here. This is the low point, right? This is the low point or deviation. This is the bottom deviation, right? Because the price hits a new low, but the deviation expert, the high-low point is higher. So this is the bottom deviation. If you see the share belongs to bottom deviation, buy or not? Here, can we buy or not? Buy signal appears. Buy signal of trend expert appears. Can we buy or not? Definitely we can buy because the share is in bottom deviation, so the price may go up. Then you can buy, confirm to buy. Okay. So here, if you confirm to buy, you just keep it. Earn big profit, maybe earn 50% profit, okay? So we can see another one. This one, there's no deviation. So we see here, we see this stock. So we can see the high point is higher than the low point. Then sell signal appears, we should sell quickly, okay? So let's see this stock. Deviation or not? This one deviation or not? Yes, high point is higher, then deviation of the high point is lower. This is the top deviation. Okay, when you see sell signal appears, sell out or not? Here, sell out or not? Sell out your stocks, okay? Then we can see again. So let's see this one. This is the high point is higher. Then this one, high point is lower, right? Sell out or not? We should sell out our stocks when the sell signal appears. So here, we should sell out our stocks because it's not good. Okay, so this is the simple way. Okay, let's continue. So let's see this one. High point. This is the deviation, right? Then if you see sell signal appears, sell quickly. No need to hesitate. Maybe you will think about whether maybe the shares still have chance. Should I wait and see? No need to wait and see because this is the top deviation. Sell quickly, okay? And now we learn how to filter, okay? So before learn how to filter, because we have so many filter methods, I think 1 or 2 is enough. Okay, the other filter is only for the, maybe you want to change style, then you can use other filter. Okay, so before we see the filter, then we see some stocks. I need to know whether you grasp or not. So can you tell me your stocks, then we can test. Which stocks you are pay attention, then which one? How to spell? J51. Y-O-N-A. Yona. Okay, let's see this one. Yoma. Let's see Yoma. This one, top deviation, right? Yes, you know that this one is in top deviation. So sell signal appears, you should sell quickly, but we can see the nowadays. Okay, then we can see this one. This one still deviation, right? Top deviation. Then we can see nowadays it still have chance or not. So you can see there's no deviation right now, right? There's no deviation. So if you see the share there's no deviation, then we can see follow the trend expert. Green candlestick turn to the red candlestick again, you can buy again. But you'd better see whether the make money inflow or outflow. If the deviation expert is the red column, it's better. Okay, so this one you should remember. Then we can see how to filter, how to use these two functions to filter some stocks. So the first one, column, trend expert. Green candlestick turn to the red candlestick. Okay, but you know, this one we cannot use assistant light filter. No. So if you filter, you should use assistant light to confirm. Okay, so this one only the green candlestick turn to the red candlestick. Okay, the first one. This one, it means that the Dow candlestick of trend expert changes to red. We can find the shares which have rebound. Okay, this is the first situation. Then the next situation, how to filter. This one is for the deviation expert. The column green to red means money inflow, right? Then bottom deviation is good. Then we can filter. So let's see whether can filter some stocks or not. Firstly, we should click the technical filter. Then we click 8 experts. First, the trend expert green to red candlestick. Okay, then this one column deviation expert green to red bottom deviation. Okay, then just click filter. No need to change parameter. It's simple. Just click this one, click the other two. Enough. Then let's see whether can filter or not. Or if you use other filter method to filter, you also can use today's function to analyze. Okay, so let's see whether can filter or not. Can filter some stocks? Or maybe no, because it's hard to find these stocks. Only one. So let's see what's.
I see. What the difference between today to 1 week?
Day 1 week. If you want to, daily means the short term. Okay, weekly is mainly for medium term. Okay, let's see this stock. This stock we can see here. This one, deviation, right? Bottom deviation. Okay, you know that this stock is bottom deviation, but buy signal appears or not? No. Even if you can see green turn to the red, but assistant lines are all green, so we cannot buy. If you see at least assistant line at least three assistant lines turn to purple, you can see to buy. Okay, but now you just wait and see. Okay, so you can use this one to filter some stocks. It's the filter method. Okay. So let's review today's course. I hope you can grasp it very well. Firstly, we learned, do you still remember, how to analyze the market? 3, 6, 9 is the key number. Okay, I will repeat again. What's 3 assistant line for the market? Firstly, you should find the low point or high point. Okay, so what's the low point or high point? How to confirm? So firstly, let's see this one. Use your fingers right to judge whether this is the low point or not. Okay, so we can see this one. Can we confirm that this is the low point? Low point or not? Oh, this one is low point. This one is the low point, right? Okay, then we can calculate the other day. This one, can we calculate or not? Can we take this one as one candlestick? You should see the high price should be higher than this high price. Okay, so we wait and see. This one can or not? Yes, 1, 2, 3. Sell quickly. Okay. Then we can see here. This is the high price, right? This is the 1, 2, 3. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then rebound. Okay. Just now I told you that 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. But how to know that the price may go to 6 or go to 9? Okay, so you can see this one. This is the low point, right? 1, 2, 3. But the next day, the high price is not higher, so the price will go down. So this one, 1, 2, 3. Then the next day, low price is lower than this one. So you should calculate 1, 2, 3. Again, 6. 4, 5, 6. Then price and rebound. Okay, so this one, can we take this one as the low point? Yes. 1, 2, 3. What should we do? Here, sell or not? Sell for short term because the market may go down. Okay. So this is the market. Okay. So you can use this theory, this miracle chain, to analyze the market for short term, for the swing trading. Okay. So this is this one. Then we can see next one. Today we learned how to use trend expert to judge the stocks. So let's see this one. I give you one shares, then we can confirm. Let's see this stock. This stock is so strong, but not now. Okay. In the past, the share was so strong, but for nowadays, not good. Okay. So we can see here. When to buy, when to sell. Okay. So this is the top deviation or not? No. Because we can see the high point is higher. This high point is also higher. So there's no top deviation. Okay. Then we can wait and see. Here, can we buy or not? Can, but you should know the trend is still downtrend. Buy small position, okay? So why this is the buy point? Green candlestick turn to the red candlestick. At least the 3 assistant lines turn to purple. So this is the buy point, okay? Then if we buy, we keep it. Here we sell or not. Still can keep right. If you don't have this stock, here can we buy again or not? Yes, because if you want to catch buy point here, we can buy again. Here we sell or not? No. Just keep the stocks. Sell or not? No. When to sell? Here we sell or not? Still can keep right. Okay, when to sell? Keep it right. When to sell, you should tell me. Here we sell or not? Sell quickly. Okay. Buy again or not? Yes, can buy again. Okay, so here we should sell out the stocks. So here, when to sell? Here should sell quickly. Okay, the price is around 1.53. Now it's 1.49. You can avoid some short-term risk. Okay, so today we learned how to use trend expert to judge buy and sell point, and how to use deviation expert to confirm, to improve your accuracy. Okay, so this is the today's course. And do you have any question about today's course? No question. If there's no question, then thank you for attending the seminar. Thank you so much.